This is a Bluetooth headset unboxing. Package includes 2 intercom, 2 headset, 2 power charger, 2 charging cable, 1 user manual, 2 helmet clips, and 2 simple screwdriver. So I already showed the user manual. Here we have the 2 headsets. And all the accessories are in a Ziploc bag for convenience. So we have the 2 helmet clip screws. Here's one of the headsets, and here's the other. Here we have some more accessories. Set 4, 2 USB charging cables, and some more screws. So we're just going to look at some of the design aspects of the headset. Real-time communication. Here we have the antenna. It's 1,200 max communication distance. Power on, and also for parent device. Phone key, receive calls, and pair phone. Here we have the volume up, which increases audio, and the volume down to decrease audio. You also have the power off, turn device off. The headset has a charging time of 2.5 hours, talking time of 8 hours. Headset interface, USB charge interface. This is where you insert the power adapter and charge the device. Here we're going to do the pairing process. And so you just press on the power on, which is also the pairing. Parent ID is V6. Now in your device you just go to settings, Bluetooth, and then you do pairing. You might have to refresh, and there's the V6. It's quick to connect. You can see the blinking light. It's the pairing process. Next we're just going to do an audio test to finish the video.
Okay, so this is the audio test. I just want to see how loud it gets. And how clear it gets. About 3-4 inches away from the mic. And talking normal, which for me, people say my octave is kind of low. But if I raise my voice, it should sound a little louder and whisper. It should sound kind of whispering. But anyways, I just want to test the audio and see how well this audio is.
If you like this video, please click like and subscribe.